Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this whole sections we are going to build a block web applications that can capable of handling crowd operations and upload, download and source features. So let's get started. So simply uh, on your source bar or simply type we can say Windows R and CMD, and you can see your command prompt will be open. And uh, to move in desktop directory, simply type cd desktop, and in order to make a directory folder in a desktop, simply type mkdir and name of a directory folder. I simply write my directory folder name block. So if you want to move, then simply type C. So if you want to be outside of this block directory, block folder, simply type cd space dot dot. It will move outside of this block folder. So I want to move, so I simply write cd block, and cls means it will clear your cmd. And so we need to make a virtual environment for our project. So virtual environment is important, very important. So it will include all your dependencies on that environment, on the virtual environment. What are the things, what are the requirements that you have installed on the project that are included that is included in our virtual environment. So simply, in order to install the virtual environment, simply type command python space -n -b and name of your virtual environment. So it will take some times, so please wait. So in order to activate your virtual environment, simply type dot /be and tab of your keyboard and /script/activate, or you can simply do as bnb go and type dir, and you can see script. So simply go to script and simply type again dir, which will display all the directory folder that are included in script. And you can see here is activate, this is activate. So cd activate, and it will cd activate. The directory folder is empty, but okay, you can simply do this, or you can I simply do it here bnb script activate. It will activate your virtual environment. So this virtual environment has been activated. So so now you have to install your Django, or before you install your Django, you need to install Python on your Beautiful Machine. So in order to do that, simply go to your favorite browser, either Google Chrome or Mozilla and so on, and simply type python.org and download here. For Windows, Mac, on your base of platform of your machine, whether you have a Mac, you have a Windows, or you have other. So I have Windows, so I click on this Windows. So I highly recommended you to install the Python version above 3. So here my Python version is Python. So in order to see your Python version on your machine, simply type python space -- version. So my Python version is 3.9.8. so I recommended you to install the 3.9.8. Simply type Ctrl F and type 3.9.8. So you please install this 3.9.8 and simply go to click then you can see Windows install 32-bit. Based on your bit of your laptop or your machine, you can install the Python. So 32-bit and 64-bit. So here, so by this way you can install the Python on your machine. And don't forget that while installing the Python, you can see there is add path in the checkbox. There will be checkbox and add path, so you have to click on this add path to install the Python on the machine. So let's not go to that. And so to install the Django, simply type pip install Django and it will automatically install the latest version. So you have installed the Django, but you want to see which version of Django you have installed. So pip simply type python -m Django -version. So if you type this command, then you can see the Django version is 4.1.6. so your Django is installed, has been installed. And so now if you want to make a project for your application, simply type this command Django -admin -admin start project and name of your project. So I simply give my project name as a root, so cd root. So if I hit enter, Python manager by run server, then you get the port has been running. So if I copy and paste this start development server on my web server or in a web browser, then you can see so the install works successfully. Congratulations, that means your Django install has been successfully, you have successfully installed your Django on the project. So now you can open your project on any editor like VS Code, PyCharm, Sublime Text. So I prefer to use Sublime Text for this project. So I hope you understood this section, this whole section, how to install the Django, how to make a project, how to create a virtual environment. I will provide all the command on this link description, in the description below, that how to make virtual environment. Download the Python link. I will provide the link of a Python download link, all the necessary command. So I will provide this whole command in the description below. So this is the main project. In this project, which includes the settings.py file, this install app, middleware, template, database, auth, passport validation, validators, time zone, static URL, so on. So we have completed installing Django. So in the next sections, we are going to discuss about the settings.py file, and we are going to make our applications for a project. So see you in the next sessions. Thank you.